We're going to talk about open houses. All right. Well, good evening, everybody. I'm Marguerite Crespillo, and we are going to talk about how to hold outstanding open houses. Who's excited that we get to have them again? It's been a while. We've been, almost a year without, some people, I guess, have had them in kind of different ways, more appointment only type situations, but luckily we're starting to open back up out there. And we're getting the opportunity again to do open houses. So tonight we're going to talk about how to hold outstanding open houses. Who on here has done open houses in the past? I know we have some new and newer agents. Who has done open houses? So let's dig in, you guys. All right. Let's first talk about 5 primary reasons that you really want to hold an open house, right? Number 1, the goal of holding an open house is not necessarily to sell that house. That would be great if we did. But the truth is that less than 1% of open houses sell that actual listing. So number 1, our goal is to generate buyer prospects, right? What can we do? And